In a way, being an immigrant, an African American immigrant, is like experiencing what those did 400 years ago when they first came here, by free will or by force, either. Because I experienced the same breakdown with my nuclear family, just like they did. Not an extreme to the point of seeing my mom or dad or siblings sold and maybe never seeing them ever again. In a way, too, I'm not Harriet Tubman, but in a way, I have spent a lot of my life staying away from certain situations or trying to move away from them, ranging from school, environment, state, and whatnot. I don't know what my parents envisioned. I don't know if they envisioned me having and throwing the same African parties they threw, going to the same conferences they went to, with the children of the parents that hosted in 20, 30, 40 years from now. I don't know if they envision me going back to Nigeria and recrafting that, or staying here and being lost or not being lost. I don't know. I really don't know the path I'm supposed to go at this point. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure if it's English. I'm not sure if it's Igbo. I don't know what the future is supposed to be.